So hello all, in this video again we will be doing further questions related to conditional probability. So formula I have written here, I will not repeat the formula in the question, but you have to write the formulas wherever it is required. So question number 10th, E is this set, F is this set and G is this set, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first part is we have to find out probability of E given that F has already occurred. So E upon F. So this will be probability of E intersection F upon probability of F, right? So probability of E, now a fair dice is rolled, right? So E is this event, right? So let's before write down probability of E will be 1 comma 3 comma 5 will be 3 upon 6 1 by 2, because total number of outcomes in a dice will be 6, so 3 upon 6. Similarly probability of F will be 2 upon 6, which is 1 by 3. Similarly probability of G 1 2 3 4 4 upon 6, which is 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3. So now let's do it. So probability of E intersection F, so probability of E intersection F 2 comma 3. So E intersection F will be, I'll write it here. Okay, E intersection F will be only 3, right? So probability of E intersection F will be 1 upon 6. Similarly probability of F is 2 by 6. So using this formula, probability of E upon F is equal to E intersection F is 1 by 6 and probability of F is 2 by 6, so which is 1 by 2. So first part, probability of E upon F is 1 by 2. Second part, probability of F upon E. So we all know it is, okay, I'll write it here. Second part, probability of F upon E, right? So this will be probability of F intersection E upon probability of E. So F intersection E will be 1 by 6 itself, and probability of E we have already determined, it is 1 by 2. So this will be 2 upon 6, which is 1 by 3. So answer is 1 by 3. Third part is probability of E upon G. Probability of E upon G we have to determine. So for this the formula is E intersection G upon probability of G, right? So probability of, E intersection G. E intersection G will be, E is 1 comma 3 comma 5, G is 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So E intersection G will have this 3 comma 5, right? So E intersection G will have 3 comma 5. So probability of E intersection G will be 2 upon 6, because 2 number of outcomes are there out of 6, so 1 by 3. So now using this formula, so probability of E upon G is equal to, E intersection G is 1 by 3 upon probability of G. Probability of G we have already determined, it is 2 by 3, 2 upon 3. So 3 to 3 get cancelled, so answer is 1 upon 2. So this is the answer. Fourth part, we have to determine probability of G upon E. G upon E. So again the formula is same, probability of E intersection G upon probability of E. So E intersection G is 1 by 3 upon probability of E is 1 by 2. So answer is 2 upon 3. So answer is 2 upon 3, right? Next, fifth part. So many parts are there. So probability of E union F given that G has already occurred, right? So this will be according to the formula, probability of E union F intersection G, right, upon probability of G, right? So E union F. Now E is 1 by 3. So first let's find out E union F. So E is 1 comma 3 comma 5, F is 2 comma 3. So it will be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5, right? Now intersection of this with G. So G is 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. 2 3 4 comma 5. So E union F intersection G will have 2 comma 3 comma 5, right? So 2 comma 3, 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 5. Okay, so probability of E union F intersection G, right? So this will be 3 upon 6, which is 1 by 2. So let's put it in this formula. So probability of E union F upon G is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 upon probability of G. Probability of G is 2 upon 3. So this will be 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4, 2 multiplied 2 is 4. So 3 by 4, right? This is part 5th. It is very important. Part 6th. Probability of E intersection F given that G has already occurred. This can be written as probability of E intersection F. Okay, so probability of E intersection F intersection G upon probability of G, right? So probability of E intersection F. So E intersection F is intersection with G. Okay, let's take the intersection together. So what is common in E, F and G? So 3 is common. Only 3 is common. 3. Okay, 3. So E intersection F intersection G is 3. So this implies probability of E intersection F intersection G will be 1 by 3. 1 by 6, sorry. Right, this is 1. Total 1 upon 6. Now putting this values into this formula. So probability of E intersection F upon G, right? So this will be 1 by 6 upon probability of G is 2 by 3. So this is 3 multiply 1 upon 6, 3 upon 2 multiply 1 by 6. So which is 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. So this was question number 10th. Now question number 11th. Now for this question number 11th, you need to understand this question very carefully. So I'll explain it. So question number 11th, some problem is there with the camera. Okay, so question number 11 we'll discuss in the next video.